Miss Cratchit, I love doing crafts with food. This is going to be so much fun.
Why don't you start with the celery?
Oh, yes, I will. Now, maybe you'd like to use some mustard green or some bok choy for this. I'm putting cheese on this one, and I've already got some sesame seed paste or peanut butter. This one is actually peanut butter, and I'm going to be doing ants on a log.
It's a very interesting snack.
I think so too. So these little raisins, you could use currants, are going to be the ants. Whoops, one ant got away from me.
He's the leader.
Oh, was he the leader? Well, then I better put this one at the back of the row. That one is the leader. Before I snack on it, I think I'll use these colored candies.
Don't they remind you of that little song?
Oh, yes, you mean the song about the colored goats?
Yes, my dear.
You're right, it does. So this one is going to be called Goats on a Log, and I'm going to put an orange goat and a pink goat and a green goat. There we have it, goats on a log. This is the best part. Now I get to taste it. I'm going to take a bite from the ants on a log. Here we go. It's a very delicious snack. I hope you're enjoying your snack too.